Hi there and welcome to today's Photopea on your iPhone tutorial. Today's tutorial features a guest drawing by Mira Pennington, who's an amazing art teacher, and she's done this amazing skull. Can you guess what she's done with? No. Yeah, she used coffee. I couldn't believe it. It looks absolutely amazing. We'll get into showing you how to create this effect in a moment, so I'll show you the skull first because it's so cool. So here we go. This is all drawn, believe it or not, with coffee. Unbelievable. There you go. Now, what we're going to do, we've put this on a layer, and I took a selfie a moment ago, and we're going to add that to a layer above it. So here is the picture, and all we need to do to create this really cool blended effect is simply find the eraser tool, make sure it is as big as it will go, and that it's got a soft edge to it, okay? So the hardness on 0 and the size on maximum. We need to make sure that this layer has been rasterized, as it's reminded me to do. So layer, click on the layer, click on rasterize, doesn't want to know. And there we are. Now, we're using the rubber. We've lined the skull up perfectly underneath, and now it will appear as if I've been working way too hard this term, and that, you know, all the life is draining away from me, and this amazing skull is appearing behind me. Have a look at that. You've got the nose, got the mouth, and all these things. If you're not quite happy with where it's lining up, obviously you can rescale it and make it fit a little bit better. I think it needs to go around a little bit an angle there. And then there we are. So there you have it. That's how to do an amazing skull and face mashup. Okay, thank you very much, Mira Pennington, for your amazing drawing to add to this video. And if you like this video and you want to see more, obviously subscribe to Quentin, Carpenter, Natureofflowers, and Mira Pennington for the art tutorials. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.